So the JavaScript frameworks just won't stop coming, and today we're going to talk about Bun. So what is Bun? Bun is a all-in-one toolkit for JavaScript and TypeScript apps. It ships as a single executable called Bun. So what is Bun? Well, Bun is at its core a fast JavaScript runtime designed as a drop-in replacement for Node.js. Now, does this mean it's going to destroy, kill, execute Node.js? No, I don't believe that, but who knows? I think Node.js is here to stay. Now back to Bun. Bun is actually written in a general purpose programming language called Zing. And this is also a toolchain for maintaining robust, optimal, and reusable softwares. And Bun is of course powered by JavaScript core under the hood, which should dramatically reduce startup time and memory usage, so they claim. Bun is a JavaScript runtime, but Bun is built from scratch to serve the modern JavaScript ecosystem. And it has three major design goals. First of all, speed. Bun starts fast and runs fast, so they claim. It extends JavaScript core, the performance Node.js engine built for Safari. As computing moves more and more to the edge, not Windows Edge, this is a critical component of any toolkit. Another major design goal is elegant APIs. Bun provides a minimal set of highly optimized APIs for performing common tasks like starting an HTTP server and writing files, and I'm also going to show you a couple of examples of them later on. Now the third one is comprehensive DX. Bun is a complete toolkit for building JavaScript apps, including a package manager, test runner, and a bundler. Now, as I said, Bun is a drop-in replacement for Node.js. It natively implements hundreds of Node.js and web APIs, including FS, Path, Buffer, and more. Now, the goal of Bun is to run most of the web server-side JavaScript and provide tools to improve performance, reduce complexity, and multiply developer productivity, of course. Now, Bun is a NPM compatible package manager, which just makes me woo! With lightning fast packaging speed, leaving the competition in the dust, as you can see by these so-called independent comparisons against PNPM, NPM, and of course, Yarn. But please, do verify them on your own. Now, what will be the APIs that you need to get started with your Bun application? First things first, we need to install Bun. Now, for Windows users, sorry, but you do need to run it on a Linux substack. Now, for you macOS, Linux, and WS users, here's a simple installation code. Use curl or bash and you're good to go. Now, back to the APIs. Here's one example on how to start a HTTP server. For example, creating a variable called serve, then just call upon bun.serve, describe the port, create a fetch request, and then return the response. And voila, you should see your response logged in the console. Another example would be to read and write files. Let's create, in this example, a simple variable called file, call upon bun.file, import the file from the directory, and then specify which file it is. Then create another variable with, for example, the name of package, assign it to await to a readable, and then transform the JSON file by using JSON on the file. Give it a name, give it a version, and you're good to go. The third example will be for password hashing. Create a variable called password, introduce your password in there, then create a hash, assign it to a bun.password await function, add the hash property to it, and voila, you should now be able to match that password to the hash password. So, what do you think about Bun? Are you curious to use it? In conclusion, Bun is more than a runtime, so they claim. The long-term goal of Bun is to be a cohesive infrastructural toolkit for building apps with JavaScript and TypeScript, including package managers, transpilers, bundlers, script runners, test runners, and more. And with this being said, thank you very much for watching. My name is Norbert BM, and catch you next time. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, and also click that notification bell in order to get notified whenever I post a new video. Have a lovely day, take care, bye bye.